This is just kind of another little fun bonus exercise, and quick and easy, but it's a really quick way to tint black and white photos. Um, so go to a file, open, and navigate to the image called womenswimsuits.jpg and open it up. And I'm going to do a Command plus to zoom in. And what I'm going to do is just quickly colorize these little white parts of these women's kind of old time bathing suits. I know this picture looks like it's black and white. However, remember color modes. If you go up to image mode, you'll see that this is actually an RGB color image. So it's a red, green, and blue color image. It's not an actual black and white image. It's full of color, even though we can't see it. But the reason this is so important is that it's RGB color mode is because we're going to want to paint with color. If this wasn't a grayscale image, we wouldn't be able to use any color at all. It would be a true black and white pixel image. So it's simple. All you do is you grab your brush tool. We're going to go ahead and grab a nice soft brush. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit further because I want to make sure that my brush size doesn't go past the white portion. So I'm going to use my bracket keys and make it about the size of the stripe on this bathing suit. And then all you do is you go up to mode in the brush options, and we're going to choose multiply. And we're going to reduce the opacity to about 50% so that some of that tone pops through. And then I have pink selected already in my foreground color. So maybe the first bathing suit, I'll go ahead and add some pink. Maybe add a little pink to our cheeks. And if you wanted to take some time and do this, you could go through and just add a little color. Double click on the foreground color. Maybe the next bathing suit could be white. You can add a little bit of yellow. So anyway, just another quick bonus way how to add a little color to a black and white image.